How to unstake Solana on Trust Wallet. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily unstake Solana on Trust Wallet app. For that, you first need to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you make sure that you are logged in, all you're going to have to do here is simply tap on the search bar at the top and then simply search for Solana. Tap on Solana, and then from there you'll see something called native staking. Now just tap on that and you'll get to this page. Now you have two options down below, stake and unstake. So tap on unstake, and here you can enter the amount that you want to unstake. Once you enter the amount, you can just tap on continue, and then you can just confirm your unstaking. And finally, all you have to do is go back, and as you can see, there is nothing left that you can unstake here, meaning all of your Solana available has been unstaked. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon if you want to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll catch you guys on the next one.